G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got one of the new 16-inch MacBook Pros with the M1 Pro chip in it. This is the 512 gig model with the 16 gig unified memory in it. So let's whip this one open and have a look at it. I'm really excited, just in case you didn't know. Okay, let's look. So we've got this handy little pull tab up the top here, because no one likes these vacuum sealed shrink wrap things. They can be so annoying to get open, but that makes this really easy. We're out of the plastic, we're into the box, and it is a thick box. Like, I can feel how thick that cardboard is. So that's really thick. They want to keep these safe, that's for sure. And here we go in the box. Can I lift it? I've got a little tab here, that might be what I need to use. Yep, so that's the MacBook Pro in its packaging. So if we take it out of that, there's a lot more weight in this than I expected. I know what they're rated at, but it just feels a lot heavier and really solid. The unibody ones have felt really solid for a while, but this actually feels a lot more solid than some of the other more recent generation ones. Just at a quick glance here, on the side we've got power, 2 USB ports and a headphone port. On the right hand side we've got an SD card slot, another USB port and a HDMI port. So that's the cable connections that are available on this one. Let's have a quick look in the box and then we'll have a closer look at the MacBook itself. So below the MacBook in the box here we have got our power cable, which is a USB-C at this end, and then a MagSafe connector at this end for going into the MacBook. Then we've got here our quick start guide, and again just rundown of our connectivities here. So those USB-C ports are Thunderbolt 4 compatible as well, which is awesome. And then of course our safety and compliance card there. And that's it. Oh, and a couple of Apple decal stickers as well in there. Below that, we have our AC adapter. So USB-C goes into that one and then into the wall. That's it. That's everything in the box. The rest of this is quite literally, it's just cardboard. So let's have a closer look now at the MacBook Pro itself. If we open this one up, we've got we're starting, nice. We'll take off our screen protector there. And so this is it. I've got a really nice large touchpad. I like this black keyboard, it looks nice, and the keys feel really good too. Looks like it's a big improvement over some of the old ones. I didn't like the previous generations. Otherwise we've just got simple standard function keys here. I've got a fingerprint reader up here in the corner as well. It looks like Apple have gone with a nice, simple, straightforward keyboard, which is a big change from those with the previous touch bar and so on, that as useful as it could be, could also make this a very complex, overwhelming looking machine. Down the sides, we've got our speakers, which sounded quite nice with that startup tone there. And then of course the screen here itself, which is really nice to look at. And even with all the lights on, I'm not getting much glare or reflection at all. This big white patch is actually an image in the background there on the screen. So that is really nice. I'm keen to have a bit more of an experiment with this and see how it goes. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. The MacBook itself, a quick start guide, Apple stickers, safety and compliance information, and of course, power connectivity. So that's it. That is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. It's definitely a solid build. I really like the embossed MacBook Pro text on the bottom.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's talking to me. It's closed. So, as I was saying, I really like the MacBook Pro embossed emblem on the bottom here, just the text. I think that's a really nice touch. That does give this just a little bit more of a premium feel. I personally feel like, as much as the design is nice, it does feel solid. And it feels like it's built really well. I'm not a big fan of this box shape that we've gone with. So that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. For information and pricing on these ones, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. In Australia, they're going for around $3,700 at the moment, give or take. Sometimes you can get a bit of a discount on them if you buy on eBay, especially if you have an eBay Plus membership. The eBay coupons let you get a bit more off them. Check out the affiliate links down in the description for that. And definitely also for eBay Plus, check that out. In Australia, I find that is well worth the money. On one of these, if you can get a 10 or 15 or 20% off coupon and purchase from an eBay Plus seller who's got these listed as eBay Plus items, you can get a decent chunk off of that. Like 10% off 3,700. You're talking $370 off. If you can get a 15 or 20% off coupon off, that's even more so. Well worth doing that, and easily pays for the, I think it's about $49 a year membership for eBay Plus. So check that out. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me. I'm planning on doing a bit more testing with this machine, so also make sure you do subscribe so you get notified when those ones come out. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.